Okay, go ahead.
You good?
Yep.
For they had seen before with him in the city Trophimus, and
Oh man, that's tasty.
Dig it, dig it, dig it.
oh shit!
Yeah.
Ah, fuck.
Watch it explode in my face.
Oh my god!
Oh, dude, that is beast.
Satan!
That's so cool.
That is
I'd
beast,
love for
man.
someone just to walk up right now, burning the Bible.
With pretty colors.
That is.
That is so pretty.
That is. We need to get more next time.
Yeah, let's get like 8 packs of that.
I know, and then just throw it all in there.
We need to have like enough shit to make a huge fire like we did that one time, Jay.
Yeah, we really do. We can do that at my house. We can seriously burn anything and everything.
Alex didn't have to use lighter fluid, yay. We need to put more shit on.
I feel like a hobo with a fire by a railroad track.
Wait, where is you at?
The Bible. You see it? Yeah. Alright.
Oh god. Show us. Oh. And there we go. It ain't that no more. It's just a piece of shit.
Yeah, read that.
And burn. Hey, it's actually burning pretty well.
It's burning pretty colors.
Nice.
This is what freedom feels like.
Yes, it is. You hear that, America? That's what freedom is.
Like, I really wish we could have had the whole Bible and then a
big
Quran.
Like a
ass-
big one.
That we weren't, like, isolating.
All right.